Hey everyone! The Reebok Rush is a clear statement from Reebok that affordable wearables do not have to feel stripped down or outdated. Positioned at $69 in the US market, the Rush targets users who want essential fitness tracking and smart features without paying a premium. It undercuts the more expensive Reebok Stride, and while it makes a few calculated compromises, it still delivers a surprisingly well-rounded experience for the price. Visually, the Rush keeps things simple and sporty. The replaceable sport bands make it easy to adapt the watch to different styles or workouts, and the three available finishes, Victory Gold, Spectre Red, and Midnight Steel, offer enough variety to suit different tastes. The overall aesthetic leans toward practical fitness gear rather than fashion accessory, but it doesn't look cheap. One of the biggest cost-saving measures is the display. Instead of the panel found on the Stride, the Rush uses a 1.39-inch LCD touchscreen with a 360 by 360 resolution. While LCD lacks the deep blacks and vibrant contrast of AMOLED, the resolution remains sharp enough for clear text and legible fitness metrics. Colors are decent, and brightness is adequate for indoor and general outdoor use, though direct sunlight visibility may not match higher-end competitors. Fitness tracking is where the Rush focuses its value proposition. It supports more than 80 sports modes, covering popular activities such as running, cycling, and yoga. The watch relies on assisted GPS via smartphone connectivity rather than built-in GPS, which means users must carry their phone to capture route data. Health monitoring features are comprehensive for this price bracket. Continuous heart rate tracking, blood oxygen measurement, step counting, calorie estimation, and sleep analysis are all included. The sensors on board, heart rate monitor, SpO2 sensor, G sensor, touch panel, and vibration motor work together to deliver a solid snapshot of daily wellness. Data synchronization through the Reebok Connect app is seamless, and compatibility with Apple Health, Google Health, and Strava broadens its appeal. For users already embedded in those ecosystems, the Rush integrates smoothly without requiring complex setup. Connectivity is handled through Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring stable pairing with smartphones. Smart notifications, reminders, music control, and even Google Assistant command support are included, giving the watch a connected feel despite its budget positioning. The Rush lacks a built-in speaker and does not support Bluetooth calling, so users cannot take calls directly from the watch. Durability is decent, but not exceptional. The IP68 rating protects against rain and splashes, making it suitable for sweaty workouts and everyday exposure to water. However, it is not recommended for swimming, which may disappoint users looking for a pool-ready wearable. Battery life is one of the Rush's stronger selling points. The 300 mAh battery promises up to 10 days of use, depending on usage patterns. With over 100 watch faces available, users can personalize the look of the interface to match their style or mood. Overall, the Reebok Rush succeeds by focusing on essentials and trimming non-critical extras. It offers a solid display, broad sport tracking, reliable health metrics, and good battery life at a price that makes smartwatch ownership accessible to a wider audience. While it omits premium features like built-in GPS, Bluetooth calling, and swim-proof durability, it does not feel hollow or underpowered. For budget-conscious buyers seeking dependable fitness tracking and everyday smart functionality, the Rush stands out as Reebok's most accessible and sensible smartwatch option in the US lineup. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to write a comment. Have a nice day, and God bless you.